Okay, I want to do an unboxing of my Godox 150 VL light that I just got. It's pretty similar to the Aperture 120 DRT. This is the daylight balanced light. It comes with, let's see, 1, 2, 3 cords and the controller here, which allows for battery. And then the light itself, it also has some interesting bonuses. For example, it comes with these color elastics that you can just put onto the light for some sort of special effect. It also comes with gels. It looks like 4 different colors, and then a Barndoor attachment with some honeycomb there. Oh, looks like the honeycomb comes out, and so you can leave it in or out. And then it looks like there's magnets here, so these just slide in, and yep, and that's it. That's how you put on the gel. I'm not exactly sure how good this gel is, but it looks like that would change it to a tungsten, or close to a tungsten color. I'll close this back up. That seems to be everything that comes. Oh, there's also this remote control. The light also comes with an app. Well, I mean, you can install an app, and that would sort of replace the remote control because you can just use your phone. Put this away. You don't get to see my face today because, you know, with quarantine, I haven't actually done my hair, so that's happened. So the light itself looks really solid. It's all metal, feels really tough, really reminds me of the Aperture 120. I think it's actually a little brighter than the Aperture 120. The case itself feels really strong. It's a really high quality build. It has these extra pads as well. Not exactly sure how they're supposed to be used, but I'm just gonna set them in there like that. Anyways, okay, so this Godox 150 light is pretty impressive. I didn't really know what to expect. I figured it was going to be a step up from their last series. I have the Godox, what is it? Pretty much the version 1, the light that came before this light. I don't remember the exact title. But I have that light, and it also is known to have a loud fan. It hadn't really been a problem for me, but as some of my shoots are narrative, the fan's going to become a bigger problem. So I wanted to see what this light was like. So far, I've been very impressed. It has amazing construction. The fan normally doesn't turn on when I use it, simply because I'm not using it at 100%. If it does turn on, it is very quiet. Anyways, so I would say this is a very effective Aperture 120D replacement. Aperture 120 Mark II lights do have a few things that this light doesn't have. This light does not have any settings such as lightning or fireplace or things like that that allow it to be used sort of as a special effect light. The Aperture 120 does have those features. The cord setup for the Aperture 120 is a little bit simpler than this light. This light still has 3 cords. It's not quite as complicated as the Aperture 120 Mark I, but it's somewhere in between. I actually don't have a problem with the cord setup. I didn't have a problem with the Mark I setup. Mainly it's so you can allow for battery use or non-battery use, but it's not that hard to plug in a couple cords, so to me that has never been an issue. Just depends on how you use it, I guess. This is an exciting new light. I think it could be very useful for a lot of people, so I thought I would just share what's in it and what I've learned so far. Thanks.